Hi, one of the best ways to get more out of your budget is to scale what's already working. In today's tutorial, we're going to share the strategy that includes both duplication of a campaign with rows of 3 or higher and doubling the budget of a fresh copy. To make things work, we'll need to create two separate rules. The first one will keep checking the active campaigns. If a campaign has rows above 3 today, the rule will create its duplicate. In the duplication settings, there is also a predefined tag copy that will be added to the copy's name. Duplication frequency here is limited to once a day for each campaign. The frequency of the rule check is every 15 minutes. The second rule will only apply to campaigns that contain copy tag in their names. It will increase the budget of active campaigns by 100% if hours since creation is less than 1. The task's frequency is set to once in each campaign's lifetime. It is also possible to set the max budget cap to make sure the campaign does not spend more than you expect. We set the schedule of this rule to every 15 minutes as well, and since both rules in the strategy run every 15 minutes, it won't take more than that between the actual duplication and the budget increase. Why use this strategy? Consistent scaling. By automatically increasing the budget on proven campaigns, you ensure you're scaling steadily without making sudden, risky adjustments. Better resource allocation. This strategy helps you allocate your budget efficiently, focusing your spend on campaigns that are delivering the best return rather than spreading it thin across untested ads. Give this strategy a try and see how Revealbot can make scaling your ads simpler and more effective. Use the link in the description to apply the strategy to your account in 2 clicks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.